Welcome to the ultimate guide to losing weight with a sugar-free diet. Are you ready to finally achieve your weight loss goals? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know about how to lose weight with a sugar-free diet. From the benefits of cutting out sugar to the foods you can eat, we'll cover it all. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to start your journey towards a healthier you. When it comes to weight loss, one of the most effective ways to see results is by cutting out sugar from your diet. Sugar is a major contributor to weight gain and can be found in many of the foods we eat every day. By eliminating sugar from your diet, you'll be able to reduce your calorie intake and start losing weight. The first step towards a sugar-free diet is to become aware of the foods that contain sugar. These include sugary drinks like soda and fruit juice, as well as processed foods like candy, cookies, and baked goods. By reading food labels and being mindful of what you eat, you can start making healthier choices. Now that you know what to avoid, let's talk about the foods you can eat on a sugar-free diet. Some great options include lean proteins, like chicken, fish, and tofu, as well as non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and kale. Fruits, like berries and apples, are also a great option, as they are low in sugar and high in fiber. In addition to making changes to your diet, it's important to make lifestyle changes as well. This includes getting regular exercise, drinking plenty of water, and getting enough sleep. By making these changes, you'll be able to see even better results and improve your overall health. Congratulations! You've just learned everything you need to know about losing weight with a sugar-free diet. By cutting out sugar from your diet and making healthy lifestyle changes, you'll be able to achieve your weight loss goals and feel better than ever before. We hope you found this video helpful. If you like our videos, then hit the like button. If you have any comment, then leave it below in section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on healthy living.